In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact WooCommerce Support. If you're stuck with a store issue, a plugin conflict, or you just need help clarifying an error, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to reach the right team and submit a clear, effective request. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official WooCommerce website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Get Support option. You'll typically find it in the main navigation or in the footer. Click that to open the support area. On the support page, you'll see options to describe your issue. You can type out what's going wrong with your site right there. If you prefer a guided path, click the Get in Touch option, then choose Contact Us and select Technical Support. This ensures your request goes to the team that handles product issues, troubleshooting, and technical questions, rather than sales or general inquiries. Next, you'll be asked to select the product you need help with. Choose the specific WooCommerce extension or WooCommerce core and then fill in the requested details. Follow the prompts on your screen carefully. The form may ask for things like your website's URL, the version of WooCommerce you're running, or information about your theme and active plugins. The more precise you are, the faster support can pinpoint what's happening. In the description field, explain the problem in clear steps. Mention what you expected to happen, what actually happened, and when it started. Include any error messages, how to reproduce the issue, and recent changes you made, like new plugins or updates. If the form allows file uploads, add screenshots or a short screen recording. Visuals can save a lot of back and forth. Avoid sharing sensitive information such as passwords, private keys, or personal contact details. If the team needs secure access, they'll guide you on how to provide it safely. After you've completed all required fields, click Submit Request. You should see a confirmation that your ticket has been created. At this point, you've done your part. Now just wait patiently while the support team reviews your case. Response times can vary based on volume and complexity, but you'll typically receive follow-up by email. Keep an eye on your inbox, and if they request additional details, reply to that message so everything stays in one thread. That's it. By opening the WooCommerce site, choosing Get Support, selecting Technical Support, picking your product, completing the prompts, and submitting your request, you'll be on your way to a resolution. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the assistance you need quickly and clearly.